Hello from Finland and welcome to Hello from Finland. Hello from Finland is our channel's name. Ours, that means my wife's and mine. I haven't done videos featuring Finland for about 2 months and I'm sorry about that. In this video I'm gonna make up for it. This video is about Finland. It's featuring Helsinki and a very interesting place in Helsinki, a Korean restaurant. This video was made by my wife and myself. My wife is the main character in this video and I'm the guy with the camera. So I hope you like this video about a Korean barbecue restaurant in Helsinki. So let's get started. My wife introduces herself, says that her channel is about life in Finland and that we arrived to Helsinki and we're going to discover a new Korean restaurant that has something special about it. And what is special about it? You will find out if you watch this video to the end. So we're heading to this restaurant. Vote for this video with your likes and dislikes and let's get going. Here's the place. Nabi Korean BBQ. We are going in. It's quite popular, so you have to make a reservation in advance. When my wife was saying that there's something special about the place, she was meaning that you cook your food yourself. As you can see, we have a grill in the center and around it some side dishes and dips. And we're waiting for the main show to start.
No, that's the thing with the kids menus. We don't have kids menus. You should just help to keep your beef oil. Beef goes first, and you always go to the center of the grill. The center is the hottest part, so it's always the best for your food. Other meats, like pork or chicken, they can go on the side. However, once the beef is done, you should always move into the center as well. This is going to be very important in the case of this pork belly, because pork belly has to be made very, very crispy. Think kind of like you would make bacon the same way. And on the side of the grill, you won't have enough heat to do that. So you're going to need to move it to the center. Vegetables and mushrooms, they go on the side and you just leave them until they are soft. Yeah. Let's wait a few minutes and I'll come back.
Okay, thank you.
I'm assuming then you are paying all together? Yeah. Okay. Have you already tried everything? All of it on the grill as soon as you can, because chicken is oftentimes about 20 minutes even. All of the food that you make, just cut it into pieces, and then you are making lettuce wraps.
Okay.
So put a little bit of meat, a little bit of side dishes, for example kimchi, on your salad, and don't forget the sauces. The sauces are seasoned. Wrap it up and enjoy.
Okay.
Let me know if you need help.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you very much.
Okay. I will have to make a little space here because this is where I have to put the fish. And it's coming up to the wall.
Второй тур запекания.
The second round of grilling. I'm sorry for this boxing term, but my wife said it.
У нас был на десерт мороженое, вот такое красивое.
Саша, кто это?
Ну что же, наша поездка в Хельсинки подходит к концу.
Our trip to Helsinki is coming to an end. So we visited Nabi Korean BBQ restaurant. We were 4, that is my wife and I, plus our son, our junior, and his girlfriend. You see them in the video very quickly, but they are there, they are present. So the whole menu, the whole meal was 208 euros. It's up to you to judge if that was expensive or low priced. Anyway, so it's time to go home to Hamina. Thank you, Helsinki. Thank you, dear viewers and subscribers, for watching this video. Hope to see you here again, and hello from Finland. And please vote for this video with your likes or dislikes, and don't forget to write comments. Thanks again for watching.
До новых встреч, ваша Елена. Ну а мы возвращаемся домой в Хамину. Приятных всем выходных.